Francesca Largo from student sa Manila. Magtatanong lang kami ng question about sa sports mo and tungkol sa'yo and kung paano ka sinusuportahan ng sport. So, ano pong pangalan mo?
Carter Soft Manila. And yung sport ko po is badminton.
Ano? So, good morning po, sir. I am Irish Thompson from FA. Good morning po, sir. I am Irish Thompson from FA Manila University, and I'm going to ask you some questions po. Yung pag-alert and burgers ka na yun po. Tapos, introduce po ng kayo. Tapos, ang una po namin tanong is, what is the school's mission and vision, and how are they reflected in daily activities? Or ano ang mission at vision ng paaralan at paano ito ipapakita sa pag-aaral?
Let me read to you the customer message.
How and when was the school founded, and what inspired its name? Paano at kailan pinagkat ang paaralan at ano ang naging inspiration sa pangalan?
As to how, well, itong as the name tells us, it's Labas Senior High School. So, nag-start ang Labas Senior High School nung ibinaba ang programa na